How are we doing, my YouTube friends and pigeon family? This is Blessings Loft tuning back in just to make y'all a quick clip, give you an idea of what's been going on. Right now we've got some crappy weather as usual. It's been raining on and off all day. Went and tried my luck doing a little bit of fishing. The wife and the kids are out having a little bit of fun, so I decided to have a little fun myself. Anyway, getting straight to it, we got one of the guys in the club that is getting rid of his whole flock. His daughter is finishing school, and in order to graduate, she's got to do a year, or at least the last 2 years of her career have to be in person at the college. So nevertheless, he's got to move out of state for that year or possibly two. He went ahead and sold his house. He's getting rid of all the birds, getting rid of the loft equipment, you know, all the good stuff, clock. So with that being said, I wanted to jump on the bandwagon there and go ahead and purchase 4 of his birds. I told him to, you know, pick out something that he knew was of a decent bloodline. So he's pretty fond of me, so he told me he was going to pick something good. We'll see here. Well, we'll see what he does anyway, but here's the pedigree for one of the birds. According to him, the best one that he gave me. As you see here, this is a Belgian bird, is his father, grandson of Cannibal. It's a Dirt Van Dyke bird. And then the mother to the bird that I bought is CBS 2014 hen. It's daughter to Quetzana Hermans, Coosters, excellent hen, sire of 4th National Ace Young Bird, 2nd Pomerol. Forgive me if I'm not pronouncing that right. That's 2nd out of 4,397 pigeons. 10th at Strumbeek, 1,963 pigeons. 19th out of 1,863, and 23rd out of 1,331. So that's the okay, so that's the stuff for Quetzana, and the mother to my bird is daughter of Quetzana. So it's definitely in the blood. Let me see if I can put this a little closer there so y'all can have your own look. I think it's inverted, so you won't be able to read it, but I'll try and post a picture of it. CBS Continental Breeding Station, I believe is what that stands for, or something like that. Yep, Continental Breeding Station in Oklahoma. So that's one pedigree that we got, but I got 4 birds. He's got more pedigrees for me. He just didn't have them on hand. So we'll jump straight to it. Let me pause this video for a sec, and I'll get you guys a look at them birds. As you guys can see, he's a white-eyed cock, or a severe pearl eye, almost white. He is definitely a stunner. He's beautiful, beautiful blue bar, beautiful body. There's the guy there. I'll show you his wing. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. There you go. There's his wing. He's got sixth, I think. Yeah, he's working on his number 6 flight. Here's his other wing. Trying to get where y'all can see it a little better. There it is. Got the 1-pin tail. Nice balance. See his muscles sticking out there. Nice and healthy. Very, very close on the vents, y'all. Right here, you can't, even my fingertip doesn't fit in between those 2 little bones. So Definitely looks like a beautiful bird. It's going to be a great addition to the breeding stock. There you guys have it. All right, let me get through here real quick and show you all the rest of them. Here we have the second bird. Pearl eye on this cockbird. He was flown by Oscar Rodriguez last year, or I'm sorry, 2019. That is his band number. That's 1429 2019. Flown out of Jacksonville Club. There's his wings. One. There's the other. Nice jump on those last flights, those last 4 or 5 flights. It's a hell of a jump from the prior ones. Nice, beautiful 1-pin tail. Very, very solid bird. Goes from a lot of muscle in the back down to a 1-pin tail. Beautiful bird. Nice and strong. Vents on this one are just as tight as the last one. There you guys have them. There's our second cockbird. Give me 1 sec and I'll show you the 2 hens. Alright guys, here we have 1431. This is our first hen. She was also flown last year by Oscar, or 2019 by Oscar Rodriguez. This girl does not want to stay put in my hands, so we're going to try and handle her as easy as possible. Get those legs untangled. Nice hen. Very strong for sure. She will not even let me handle her. Beautiful, beautiful orange eye. Let's see if we can get a close-up. Come here. Come here. Let's see if we can get a close-up on that. And there it is. About as close as I can get it without it unfocusing. There's the bird. Check the wing on that one. My goodness, this is a handful of a hen. Nice jump on those last few flights as well. Anyway guys, we don't want to hold y'all up too long. Just wanted to show y'all what we had going on, okay? 1 sec and I'll show you the last. Okay guys, and last and final one. Here is our second hen with some poop on her foot. Band number 15630 GHC 2016. The body on this hen is just extraordinary. It's nothing but muscle. You can see it there. Nice and healthy. Whew, my goodness, what a body. Okay, first show you her. Oh, check that beauty out. Just gorgeous. Beautiful hen. First wing. Do it this way. Hell of a jump, man. Wow. Beautiful little hen. Beautiful hen. Here we have the second wing, y'all. Go. Vents super tight. There she is. Good balance. And we said that was 15630 2016 GHC. There you have her again. We'll see what come out of these for 2022 young bird season. Definitely too late this year, but we'll see what they produce for next year. All right, guys. All right. And it's feed up time. All the young birds here. You go ahead and start at the end of the loft. All the old cocks. Start at the end here and work our way back. All right. Here's all the hens. They're ready to eat. Ready to eat. All right, guys, pardon the noise. Let's go ahead and get some feed in here for this guys. And last but not least, all our young birds. See it now. see any with those little yellow clip bands, that's money bird race. And any with the blue clip bands is auction bird race. Like the black one per se should have a blue one. This one there has a yellow. That one has a blue one, that blue over there. Shooting it up, y'all. That dark check there in the center of the screen is one of my favorites for this year. Been a beautiful bird since day one. Alright guys, just wanted to make a quick clip for y'all, give you an idea of what's going on over here at Blessings Loft. That's what we got so far. Waiting for these guys to grow out their flights, and y'all you can see them coming in right there. So they're about halfway out. I like them to be about 3/4 of the way out before I let the birds out. So everybody's pretty even. You can see that one as well. You can see that one as well. That one left barely under the wing. Same with that one. Everybody's even. There's the next one down the line, the next one down the line. They're all doing great. Alright guys, until next time, it's been Blessings Loft, tuning back in just to give you guys a quick update. Till next time, God bless and keep them flying.